Recently, I've been getting a lot of messages and speaking to a lot of people who have been asking me how I come up with so many automation ideas and pump out so much content for them. So I thought I'd show you one of the systems I use to actually help me come up with a lot of new ideas and write the entire LinkedIn post copy in seconds. And this all happens within this one automation here. So I'll usually be scrolling through LinkedIn just on my phone and I'll see an interesting automation. I then have a think about how I can add to that automation or change it to make it better. And then I go ahead and copy the LinkedIn profile URL for that person and also write a few notes about the general idea of the automation. Then I paste these bits of information into a Google Sheet, like the one you can see on screen. And essentially here you can see I've got the LinkedIn profile URL and I've also got a bit of information about the general content idea. So I then go ahead and check this box and I change it to process, so we can go ahead and do that. And essentially this will just trigger our make automation, which you can see here. So the make automation just finished running, and essentially the way it works is we're using Rapid API to scrape the LinkedIn post data. So we're using Rapid API's fresh LinkedIn profile data scraper, which I've used previously. And this just allows us to scrape all of the posts from that person's LinkedIn page. We then aggregate all of those posts, so the text, the comments, the likes, all of that information is aggregated using a text aggregator. This just allows us to extract some of the data from the posts. We then go ahead and feed that data into an OpenAI completion step, which takes the input information and will create a general post concept as well as the actual LinkedIn post copy for me. So you can see that here in the output section. So we have the general post concept, and then we have the LinkedIn post copy, which has been written for us. And this uses the same tone and voice as the input profile URL. So overall, this entire automation here saves me a ton of time and allows me to find new ideas and write good quality LinkedIn copy aligned with my tone and voice. So all I have to do now is just review all of the posts which are added here and just pick and choose which ones I want, and also, update the copy if I feel it's necessary. So if this entire automation here interests you, feel free to drop a comment down below or send me a DM. And if you're a business owner looking to actually leverage AI in your business to save you a ton of time, feel free to book in a call with me. Thanks.